what I have in front of me is my favorite cabbage recipe, which is cabbage and sausages. These are beef smokies, some turmeric rice and some raita. It's so delicious. I'm going to be showing you how you can make this at home. It's very simple, it's very basic. These are most of the ingredients you already have in your home. So instead of just having the smokies for breakfast or just casual dining, you can always make a meal out of them with so little effort, so little effort. Hello, my name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you my good sis, my good brother, you have a point, maybe not. But please do subscribe, it's free. Give this video a like, comment, share with your friends, and you never know who may like this video or who it could help. So yeah, I'm going to start by chopping up my smokies. You can chop them diagonally, whatever that is. So once we are done, we are going to transfer them onto our pan and saute them until they are golden brown. Use some bacon and render the fat out and use that. I'm going to use this ghee. This is clarified ghee. In case you don't know, I sell very good clarified ghee and you can always hit me up. So once we have enough to cover the base of the pan, we are going to bring it to some level of hotness, and then we are going to add in our chopped smokies. You want to saute them until they are brownish or as if golden brown at the edges. That way they are more firmer. Remember, these are smokies, so they are as if already cooked. But what you're trying to do right now is activate the flavors. Plus, these were cold in the fridge, so you want to bring out the livelihoodness in them. I am going to chop some onions. I love cabbage. Cabbage is one of my favorite vegetables. If you want them much smaller, please go ahead. I like my cabbages big chunks, especially for this recipe. Now the sausages have browned, so we are going to transfer them. And once the onions have sucked up some of that flavor, you'll add in your cabbage. You want to saute these around. I think the ghee brings in a very good aroma. The shapes of the sausages and the cabbages, you're not going now to chop julienne, so you're going to chop like medium-sized discs so that your dish is uniform. You can add in any vegetables of choice. You can even use a seasoning cube, some black pepper. Can you guess my favorite spice in the comment section? Tell me, if you've been following me for long, which spice can't I cook without? There's one spice I always cook with, always, almost. Guess it in the comment section and tell me if you've also adapted to it and how are you finding cumin, our beloved. Now I am going to return the smokies back into the pan. Now we're going to leave it on fire to simmer a little bit. It's very low heat, and the cabbages are going to release some of the moisture in them, creating some sort of gravy. The cumin balances it out so perfectly well. And yeah, this is one of my best ways to eat cabbage. I really think you should try it. Anyways, let's steam some rice too and then come back and show you how you can plate this and enjoy.